Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi, dear students. I hope that all of you would be fine and fine, inshallah. This is Bilal Khan, and I have brought a small video lecture for you on project and project management. In this very short video lecture, I would explain the meaning of the project, definition of the project, examples related to the project, and some important information regarding project management, like definition, meaning, and examples of project management. So I hope that this short video lecture would really benefit you. So before going towards the video lecture, I would do a humble request to all of you that please subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video lecture, and please share it with your friends, family members, students, etc. So let's begin our video lecture. Everybody knows that they get a question in their mind whenever they talk about the project management, like what is a project. So there is a definition given in this very slide. If we just read it, then we can point out some of the important points out of this definition, and we would like to explain them. So the definition of a project is unique process consisting of a set of coordinated and controlled activities with start and finish dates. Remember, a project is a unique process. Why do we call it a unique process? Unique means a new process, innovative process, a process like you want to create something new, a process through which you can develop a new product, produce a new product, or new service. So a project is a unique process consisting of a set of coordinated and controlled activities. What kind of activities? Like start and finish dates of the project, undertaken to achieve an objective conforming to the specific requirements, like objective of the project, and including constraints of time, cost, quality, and resources. So if you look at this definition consists of various activities and various main points through which we can understand easily what really the project is. So first of all, remember, a project is a unique process. A project is a unique thing, a new thing. You can say a new thing means that is not repeated, a product which has some new features, which has some new designs, which has some new functions, etc. So this project should be different from the previous product that you are producing in your organization. So unique process consisting of a set of coordinated and controlled activities. Remember, the project activities are controlled by the project manager, and those activities are called as coordinated activities because these activities are interrelated with each other. So what are the main activities of a project through which you can make the project successful? So first of all, we see start and finish dates. Remember, a project, you can call something, you can call a work a project if it has start dates and finish dates. For example, if you are going to construct a road and the road is, for example, 100 kilometers, so you want to build or you want to construct 100 kilometers road. So when this project will be started, suppose this the construction of this road would be started on 1st July 2020. And for example, if you look at the finish date, so 100 kilometers road, you can say it can be finished within 1 year. So like the 31st July, like on 31st June or July, like after 1 year, the project would be finished. So the start dates and finish dates are actually the project activities. Then we have undertaken to achieve an objective conforming to the specific requirements. Of course, why do we build this road? Just because of some achievement of some specific objectives. So the objective might be to facilitate a specific area, to promote business, to promote education. Why roads building, roads construction play a very huge role in the economic development, you can say, or some other suppose things. So objective, there should be objective of a project. And then we see here including constraints of time, cost, quality and resources. So the project has some specific activities, like it has specific time. As I said, the start date and finish dates are the constraints or time. Then we have cost, like this 100-kilometer road would be you can say budgeted, and the budget for this 100-kilometer roads might be, for example, 10 million rupees, 15 million rupees, 20 million rupees. It depends upon the project budget, project activities through which you can achieve the goal. So civil engineers, you can say, they can easily estimate the budget for a project. So cost is the main factor. Cost, time, quality and resources are the main constraints of the project. We call them constraints because if you change the time of a project, obviously this change in time would affect cost, quality and resources. So decreasing time of a project has different effects or impacts on cost, quality and resources, and increasing the time of the project would have different impacts on cost, quality and resources. So I hope that you would understand the main definition of a project. Now let's see some of the characteristics at the end of this definition. A project is a planned set of activities. Of course, every project is planned. Without planning, you cannot successfully complete the project. Then a project has a scope. Yes, scope means activities, scope means work, scope means resources to be utilized in a project. A project has time, cost, quality and resource constraints. So every project has specific time, every project has specific cost, and every project has specific quality and resources as constraints. And I know that you understood the meaning of these constraints. Now, what is project management? So a question arises here that project management is another terminology, very important terminology, and it is a new discipline. You know better. What is project management? So project management can be defined as the art of organizing, leading, reporting, and completing a project through people. So the very simplest definition is provided in this slide for you people. The art of organizing, leading, reporting and completing a project through people. So there are different people working within the project. You have to organize them, you have to lead them, you have to report them, you have to take reports from them, and then at the end you have to complete the project within specific time and cost and resources. So what is project management? More comprehensively, you can say, with these bullets you can easily understand the meaning of the project management. So a project is a planned undertaking. A project manager is a person who causes things to happen. Therefore, project management is causing a planned undertaking to happen. Let me tell you in very simple words, there are different techniques, there are different methods, there are different knowledges which you can utilize to make your project successful. So project management, you can say, is the combination of tools, techniques and knowledges through which you can plan the activities of a project, and you can successfully achieve the objectives, and you can successfully accomplish the needs and requirements of the project and all the stakeholders, whether they are directly or indirectly impacted by the project. So I hope that this lecture would benefit you, and for more video lectures you can visit my channel, and inshallah I will bring a new video lecture in English for you people. So keep me in your prayers, and Allah bless you, God bless you, and bye bye.